Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rafael Gonzalez Pantelas Extra. These cigars were purchased from House of Gerard in Geneva, and I paid a very cheap price of £88 for 25 of these. As you can see, this box is from February 2025, which is a very recent production and will need a bit of time to age, especially that these are tripa corta, which means short filler cigars, and these are handmade, totalmente a mano. However, these are short filler cigars. They're not made from long leaves, they're just made from a bunch of different strands and leftovers. And these usually I find them to be quite harsh, all the short fillers, but with time they slow down a little bit and they become a little bit better. Open up, you have this from House of Gerard. They say age with care in our maturation room. The only thing is I don't know exactly understand how long they've been there for, since it's from February 2025. You've got the Habanos, the usual, and then you have the cigars themselves. Now the cigars are 127 millimeters by 37 ring gauge, which is quite small. They are handmade, which is quite interesting to see cigars this small and handmade. Let's take one out and show you what they're like. So as mentioned, this is a box of 25. They smell amazing. The wrapper looks really good. And as you can tell, there's a triple cap. And the price I paid for them is really, you can't say no to something like that, especially Cuban cigars for this price is pretty much unheard of. These are usually quite light cigars and they're called breakfast cigars usually. So I'll be putting these away for a little bit and seeing what they taste like. But as you can see, each one, they just look really good. And compared to the Quintero, which we've dissected and I'll put a link above as well, these look so much better. These you can never tell these are short filler unless you actually know when you read the box, because the way that they're construction, the way they're made, is very, very hard to tell. And the wrapper and the binder that they put is actually very, very high quality and high finish as well. In general, Rafael Gonzalez, they don't make a lot of cigars, but all their cigars are usually light bodied and things that you can enjoy in the morning. And like I said, these especially different to the other Rafael Gonzalez which we have. These will need a drop longer inside the humidor to mature a little bit, and for them to open up properly, and for them to be enjoyed to their maximum potential. As you can see, Pantelas Extra. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.